I'm really thrilled to be here today at Sidi Abdellah University, where I have been speaking with representatives at the School of AI and Applied Mathematics about the program the U.S. Embassy in Algiers is supporting with the Ministry of Higher Education to increase not only STEM learning, but to increase STEM learning in English and with an entrepreneurial bent. What does this do? This increases opportunities for Algerians and Americans to do research together, to build companies together, and build our shared prosperity. And I'm very excited about this program, and I look forward to what the future holds between Notre Dame, University of Notre Dame, Go Irish, and the University of Sidi Abdellah, and what they are going to be able to achieve in the areas of scientific research and AI in our future together.
My name is Stephen Asiala. I'm the Assistant Director for Researcher Engagement at the Idea Center at the University of Notre Dame. We're here in Algeria today to share best practices on research commercialization. Our team focuses on translating research concepts into impact, and we're here to share how we do that at the University of Notre Dame with our partners here at Sidi Abdellah.
My name is Melissa Paulsen. I'm the Director of Entrepreneurship and Education at the Pulte Institute for Global Affairs and at the University of Notre Dame. This is a collaborative partnership between the universities, both Sidi Abdellah and the University of Notre Dame, as well as the US and Algerian governments to really drive research in Algeria, to take that research and bridge it to societal needs, to civil society, and to make that research actionable and translatable for the benefit of the private sector.
I'm Ben Hoggan. I'm the Director of Derisking and Venture Acceleration at the University of Notre Dame. So we sit at a really interesting place between technology inside of a university, scientific discovery purely for the intention of advancing our understanding of the universe, and also the marketplace, which is essentially just how do you solve problems for people, and then how do you do that inside the structures of different government organizations, and how do you bring all of those together? And so what we really look at is how do you look at the relationships between those? How do you understand the different people and their motivations? That then you can craft a compelling story and an organization that can solve a really big problem inside the structures that exist already. And so I'm really looking forward to working with our partners in being able to use some of those same principles and apply them in Algeria.
This is my second trip to Algeria, and it's been delightful so far. We started our engagement with our partners online during the pandemic, but coming to Algeria and actually seeing the development of Sidi Abdellah, the university here, and meeting our partners at the university was so eye-opening and really a tremendous opportunity to forge bonds and relationships, and I'm looking forward to continuing to do so.